Hello everyone and welcome to my Padlet. Our student goal for today is to know how to identify a faulty source and how to identify a credible source. In general, it is never a good idea to quote an unreliable source, but in research it actually makes you lose credibility as a writer and student when you quote faulty materials. So let's look at the resources on the Padlet. There are a few websites here that tell you the difference in a good and bad website. For example, the CRAP test, which is down here at the bottom. This is a popular one to use when evaluating a website source. When you go back to the Padlet, there is also an ABC of determining credible sources, which you can click and see that here. So once you learn how to spot a fake website and a credible source, you will begin to research and plan out your assignment. There are also some blogs that I included on the Padlet where writers have put together links to credible sources. So let's look at this one first. They have nonfiction resources for research. And down here, when you scroll, there is the New York Public Library or Library of Congress, just to name a few, both of which have free materials. So this is a great resource to use. Okay, once you've looked through some of these resources that I provided, let's look at the discussion question. So it says, what criteria makes a source credible for your research?